Hello, hello. All right, so it is Wednesday, and sorry, I am just trying to adjust the camera a tiny bit here. Oh, there we go. All right. All right, so I have a couple of things scheduled to post in about 20 minutes, just so I can get through these videos without them being active. The first thing that's going to appear in your stream is going to be your study guide notes for lesson 4. Remember, I had stated that this week we are wrapping up lesson 4. There'll be a short assessment. You might want to still copy some study guide notes into your study guide or print them out if you have that capability, because there is some copy and there is some answer. So this is your study guide notes for lesson 4. I will open that up and we can take a look. Hopefully it works. All right. So we have 2 red and 2 black. So that means 2 copies and 2 answers. First 2 are red, so that means that they are answers. First one is name the landforms we discussed. Hint, use your big ideas to find the answers. Essentially, these are the 10 options that you had to choose from in order to do your research project for the brochure. They are found in your big ideas. They are listed, so you just need to locate those and answer that into your study guide. What 2 things about a landform help us understand our world? Again, that is an answer, hint, big ideas. As you can see, I've given you hints since I haven't been with you to properly instruct you, given you hints where to locate these answers. So what have we talked about? What are the 10 landforms? What are the 2 things that help us understand our world when we talk about landforms? And these 2 are copies. All right, so be able to identify that landforms can be connected to each other. Okay, again, hint, big ideas. You'll see some of these questions in your quizzes review when that gets posted. Essentially, landforms can coincide with each other, like a mountain can be a volcano and vice versa. Okay. Lastly, be able to tell me how landforms of the world are similar and different. This was part of your brochure project. Okay, say you did your brochure project on mountains. Okay, not every single mountain looks the same. So there would be some similarities, of course, and then there would be some differences. We have some mountains that are in cold regions. We have some mountains that are in warmer regions. We have mountains with snow. We have mountains without snow. We have mountains that are very high. We have mountains that are very low. So I'm going to give you pictures side by side, and you're going to have to identify what's the difference and what's the same. Simple enough? Okay. So when you are done with your study guide notes, you are going to go back into Google Classroom, and you are going to find the quizzes review game. Okay. Quizzes did an update, which I think is super, super cool. Whenever I create a homework game, which is the play at home game that you guys usually do for prizes, now it actually generates a link to take you straight to the game without entering the game code. But just in case, I have put the game code here, 565711. You can play as many times as you want. I highly recommend it because, again, just like in class, most of my questions on the review game will be on the actual assessment. I know you're like, well, what benefit do I have for playing quizzes? Well, to get a better grade, yes. But there will be opportunities for rewards for my students. I have not decided if it's going to be a top number situation, if it's how many times played situation. I have to kind of figure that out, but I want those students that are being involved and taking a higher standard in their education and doing some review and playing the game to get rewarded. Not quite sure what it might be yet. It could be something out of my my classroom rewards for the store. Maybe you want a scrunchie and I can pick you out a scrunchie, or maybe you want a week off of CNN from online, whatever. I haven't decided yet. But I want to encourage you to play. All right. So it is Wednesday. So you will have the notes to copy down, and then you can play the review game. Again, there's no limit. I am going to make this available for, I believe, a week. So because I know everybody's jumping on at different times, so I will make that available for a week before it's disengaged, and you just can only take the assessment and can't do the review. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. You guys have my cell phone number. You can call or text me anytime. I am working on revamping office hours because there is so much going on right now, and I'm feeling a little not stressed, not overwhelmed. I don't have a word for it quite yet, but trying to figure out the other meetings that I want to be responsible for. I've been at the food distribution and Chromebook checkout every Tuesday for the last couple of weeks, so I need to make sure I'm there for those. We just had a PTO meeting tonight. We have a board meeting on Thursday, so trying to figure out office hours that don't conflict with the other things that we have going on while we're on this quarantine lockdown status. They could be changing from week to week. It could not be Zoom anymore. They have enabled Google Meet or Google Hangout or whatever it is for the student emails. So we might try that avenue. I don't know. It's just a lot right now, and I need to explore that while you guys are reviewing and taking your assessment this week so that I can focus on trying to get us all back online and hanging out again because I miss your faces. With that being said, I will talk to you soon. Please make sure that you are doing your CNN every day, that you are checking your missing assignments. Remember, you can click on classwork up here at the top, and it will show you anything that might be missing. I'm going to start sending things back to students or returning them. They have been graded, but I have not sent them back yet because now that student accounts and emails are active, it will flood your inboxes, and I don't want to do that all at once. So it might take a couple of days. But yeah, reach out if you need me, and I hope you guys are doing well. I miss this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.